Welcome back. Well, I'm laughing because Ephraim is here and he's always making me crack up. But more importantly, he is always pointing out how Autonation Irvine Toyota welcomes all of you. So, right? I mean, you guys, you welcome everybody to come on in. Good morning. Thank you for being with us. And you welcome everybody to come into Autonation Irvine Toyota because why?
Well, I mean, because it's just a place to come get help. Right. And so that's kind of, that's what makes it so different now, I think.
Right.
So we were chatting right before we went on about just someone that came yesterday to pick up her new RAV. And I thought that was cool. She was a veteran. I love that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I know. That's cool. We sat and chatted, like I said, literally for an hour. It was neat. But, I mean, she was getting, she was replacing her car into a new Toyota RAV, and it was all about the safety features, and that was so important.
Right,
yeah.
Right. Now, safety. Now, the RAV4, we talked about this before. You know, why do people like that car?
It's a perfect size. It's just elevated slightly, so it's not some big truck or whatever, but it gets you a little bit higher than the people in front of you, so your vision of the road and what's coming up. I think that gives you a sense of confidence.
Right.
But it's the safety features, it's the safety sense that's on that car. I mean, we talked about it before. This car has the ability to actually stop for you. If you accidentally press the gas, but you meant to touch the brake, the car will notice, uh-oh, you're going too fast, there's something coming up, and I'm just going to stop. I'll stop all on my own, even if your foot is all the way mashed on the gas.
Really?
Yeah, and so that's, I mean, not many cars still do that. That's level 2 autonomous driving. And we don't say that very much because we don't want people to think the car will drive by itself, but this one will save you from yourself. I like that. Right.
Well, I've seen some commercials on that, and it looks amazing that it actually knows when.
I know.
So is it just a sensory thing?
Yeah, it has a radar and sonar system in the front, and so now it'll even detect something as subtle as just a person riding quickly on their bike. It's someone walking, because years ago it wouldn't detect anything but a bigger object, but now, like a car only, but now it'll detect even just a pedestrian. So it knows, and it has the ability to also predict in advance, even if something is occurring in front of you, but you're not still aware of it, it'll tell you this car will also begin to steer.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so it is, you know, a lot of, when we had cars that began driving itself, it was a little odd and it felt a little clunky and clumsy. Sometimes it did it when you didn't want, well, those days are way gone. It has the ability to track not only the center of the lane that you're driving in, so it has 3 cameras up front. Right. And then it also has the ability to just stay right in the middle, and this one will actually turn the corner for you. We're not telling people to just, you know, have your coffee, read your paper.
Yeah,
not
really.
at all. You've got to pay attention.
Yeah.
But it's about being a good defensive driver, anticipating things before they happen, and just, you know, keeping your environment safe and having a car that will help you, because we all need a little help.
Well, yes, we do. And, and these days, the cars are becoming more computerized, which is good, I think, because then, like you said, it can help with the safety features as well.
For sure. And then we also talked about, you know, our dedicated Wednesdays are Laguna Woods Wednesdays, right? And so that means stop in. Because, you know, even if we pretend once a week we're going to go fuel up, you still need to check in. So drive in. Drive in, get those tires checked. Let's make sure your car's safe. Stay in the car. We're not telling you to come in because we want to charge you anything. Come in because we want to make sure that you have a good place to go. Right. Like, you know, years ago, you used to be able to go to a filling station and they would check under the hood and check those tires. Well, no one does that anymore, and even we don't do that. So, but little things like that can create a safety concern. And so we, Steve and I, over here at Irvine Toyota, then really just felt, hey, we need to create this place where our local area residents can come. Right. Just get help when they need it, whatever it is. And we talked about someone who came in for some technology questions. And I love that she came in and it was not a Toyota, because it doesn't need to be. Just come in. Come in because a lot of us have features on our cars we don't know how to use, and let's help you out on the car you're driving, even if it's not a Toyota. It doesn't matter. Right.
Well, I think that's great because, you know, last week we had Steve on and he said he had received a few letters, and so you're getting letters. You're getting people that are saying, "Hey, I saw you guys on Channel 6, and they're coming in." So tell me a little bit about some of the people that have come in and what you're hearing.
Okay. Well, Lisa, at least 1 or 2 people every day for me.
Okay.
And then Steve's fielding some on his own too. No, so I mean, is it an overwhelming response? I think so, and I love it. And I'm always encouraging everyone, come see me. Don't ask for anybody else. Just come see me.
Right.
I mean, I want to say hi, and I want to navigate your visit so that you get done what you need to get done, but just you're well taken care of.
Right.
I told someone yesterday. I said here before. Does someone deserve maybe something extra special when they come? The answer is yes.
Good.
Why not? I mean, why not? So, yeah, I asked them to come in and see me because sometimes, we had someone come in and they thought they needed something because they visited a different repair center and they came in and really needed none of those things. So not only were we able to just kind of put her back into a place where she felt comfortable and safe in her car, but didn't have to spend all the money that someone else had told her she needed to.
Oh.
And I thought that was kind of neat because
that's great.
Come on, let's make sure that we do something if it's needed only.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
And so that's important. And because Steve and I literally have grown up in this area for so long, we're part of the fabric of the neighborhood. And I guess that's why we felt like it's that connection that we want to keep. And take good care of our neighbors.
Well,
that's all.
And you come on every week and you tell us that, and I think it's working, and
it is.
I'm happy for you guys. That's great. And the community is very well taken care of by you guys.
For sure. Can I give one shout out to
a
VIP in the village?
Absolutely.
His name is Larry Keys, and we've spoken about him once before.
Okay.
Yeah, Larry Keys. He and his wife Nancy just bought a new RAV, and we're doing something special because, of course, he's a veteran as well, and that's kind of a big deal,
Yeah.
And not kind of, it's a super big deal. And we're making sure that he gets well taken care of, ordering him special plates and so forth. But I just wanted to say shout out to Larry because I know he's watching.
Okay. So look in there and go, hi, Larry.
Hi, Larry.
Well, that's awesome.
Great. Yeah.
That's awesome. Let's reiterate again the Wednesday specials. So you can do alignment. Right? Or you can choose tires. So tell me how they work.
Tires, oil change, really Wednesdays are dedicated because we know that you can come in anytime, not just Wednesday, but Wednesday come in because we have a few extra people on standby to do that pit stop for you.
Okay.
And whatever it might be, if it's an alignment, we've offered to do it at a reduced rate.
Okay.
As well as brakes or anything else. Okay. Will I do it on Wednesday or Monday too? I'll do it on any day.
Right.
But Wednesday we do have extra staff waiting just to take extra good care of you.
Excellent.
So I think that's important.
Excellent. Well, good. Well, thank you so much. It was nice to see you again.
Thank you. Super nice to be here.
And one of these days I'll get out there and we're going to drive the RAV4.
You're going to have to.
We're going to drive the RAV4.
Yes.
All right. Excellent. Thank you.
Thanks.
And remember that Wednesdays are Laguna Woods Day at Irvine Toyota, so go there and check them out. And you don't have to have a Toyota to go there, so go visit Ephraim. We'll be right back.